This is a video to show AAOE members how to edit and create address information in their accounts. So at the top you'll see there's the organization name, which is Tower Joint Replacement Clinic in this case, and the user's Julie. And if I go over to the shopping cart icon on the right and click on the checkout option, it'll take me to the checkout page. What I'm here for is to edit the shipping information, the billing information, and maybe the payment information. So one of the things in here that I'm going to show you how to do, I'm just going to do a copy and paste here for a second, but if I click on edit, it's going to come up and it's going to show me nothing because I don't have any private addresses set up. I'm going to create one in just a second, but if you see this, just click on that drop down, click on organization, and then click search, and it'll show the address that you're seeing on that checkout page. This is the reason it's set up this way is this is an organizational address. Anybody under the organization Tower Joint Replacement Clinic, any user, could see this address, select it, and use it. Now, I could edit this address if I want by selecting it like I did over here to the left and then click on Edit Selected, and it'll bring up this address, and I could change the name, for example. It's still want all this same ship to information. I might want to add a personal email address here, but I'm not going to do that right now, but that's how I would do it if I wanted to. If I want to create an address though, I'm going to go in here and just click on create new, and then I'm going to paste that information in. I'm going to just type Julie's name in. I need to spell it right. Okay, and then the rest of the information we can add in a second, but I'm just going to click save. And now you'll see it'll show up under the scope of private addresses. So, and it's already selected, so if I click select, then it'll show up here and I can click on this default option and make it my default if I'd like to. I think I'll probably finish pasting the rest of this information in there, so I won't make it my default just yet, but I'll make a change here. So again, if I want to edit it, I select the address I want to edit, then I click on the edit selected, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop in here some of this information that I've copy and pasted. Again, my scope is private, so this is going to show up as just my address after I get done doing this. I'm going to say OK, and now it's still selected, so I'm going to click on the select button and it shows up here. Now if I click on default, that'll make it the default, and I'm done. Now I can do the same thing on the billing information if I want to or need to change it, but that's how you do it. Same process in the payment information. There's no scope in here obviously, but if I want to create a new one, I just click it here and then I can create a new payment credit card, P card information.